Hi guys. So today I was trying to learn some more information about making homemade chocolate. So I bought a cacao pod and I have the seeds right here. I opened it and the pulp was delicious. It was probably the best pulp that I've ever had on them. It was perfect. It wasn't too sweet, it wasn't too rotten, and so I ate it. But now I'm learning that to make chocolate, you probably wanted to leave the pulp on it to have it ferment for a couple days and give it some different flavor profiles. Didn't do that. So I was researching what else I could do, and so I might make these into cocoa nibs, and I'll do that. But then in a video I was watching, I saw that you could use the husk. Now I'm not sure if it was the husk, because they're both called the husk on the fruit, which is the pulp, what I consider the pulp. So that's considered the husk, but then this is also considered the husk. So I ate the pulp, don't have that. I do have this husk, and I saw that you could use it to make a hot chocolate or to make an iced tea. So I have some water boiling. That's probably what you're hearing in the video.